Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be quite a fun video because it's all about wearing your lippy as blusher. You all know I love to do a bit of a matchy on my lips and my cheeks. And it really amazes me every time I mention to people that I've used my, oh there we go, I've got it on my chin, haven't I? That I use my lipstick as my blusher. They're like, really, can you do that? I'm like, yes, there are no rules. There are no rules in makeup, guys. You've got to be creative. And I love nothing more with the complexion than basically matching up your face to your cheeks or your cheeks to your face. You know what I'm saying. Lips to cheek, cheek to lip, right? And making everything really, really unison. Obviously, if you're going to have a lipstick that's really, really sticky and you put it on your cheek, you may find things start moving. You may have a sticky cheek, which is not great if you go and hug someone. But ultimately, it looks amazing. So like, for example, I'm going to throw a few different examples on, okay? So I've got a lipstick on already. I'm just going to go over it. And then I'm going to take this colour. I'm going to dot it, as you can see. Just in various areas. It doesn't really matter sort of like what you look like at this point, okay? And then you're going to blend it. So just blend that with your fingers, or you can go in with a brush if you want to. And can you see it brings a little bit of life back to the cheeks. Just gives you that nice flushed finish. And then you know that you're not using, you know, a pink lipstick and a orange blusher. Then you know things are going to be matchy and the makeup is going to start looking uniformed. And that's it. It's as simple as that. And what's really nice as well is that the formula for lipstick is really creamy, so it blends really beautifully. And some lipsticks have a long wear lipstick, so then that's going to be a bonus for your blusher, because it will basically mean that your blusher is going to stay on just the same time as your lipstick's going to stay on, and then you don't need to go and buy a long wear blusher. Do you know what I mean? So that was just a Pat McGrath lipstick. I sometimes, actually a lot of the time, I go in with Charlotte Tilbury Bitch Perfect. Another one that I absolutely adore to use is by Lipstick Queen. So let me show you this one. Let me just take off what I've got on my lips. Just bear with me 1 minute. If I take this off, I've got a bit of a stain underneath because I actually had this on this morning. And it's long wear. So it's blooming amazing. So look at me, I've got like 4,000 layers of lipstick. Okay, so taking the lipstick off, this is this colour from this morning, okay? Just don't forget that because it's stained. So this is by the Lipstick Queen. It's called Morning Sunshine. I discovered it when I was on an EasyJet flight, yes, back in the days where we used to get on a plane and go on holiday. So these adapt to your skin on your lips, and they change colour. So this one, being Morning Sunshine, goes to a corally tone. And it will look different on me to someone else. There's another shade that goes more of a pinky tone. And it's really, really clever. Like, if I show you on here, on my hand, it looks yellow, but when you put it on, it works with the pH balance in your skin. You see? It turns orange. Like magic! So I'm going to hit that on. And I love about these, they're always these are my summer lipsticks, but I wear them all the year. They are so hydrating. And then, can you see? It's starting to create a nice colour on my lips. And then what I do for matchy effect is I'll go in, can you see? It just amazes me. Every time I put it on, I'm like, wow. Put it on your cheeks. And this finish is really glossy as well. So if you want that glossy finish to your lips, to your cheeks, you're going to love it. And just blend. I just realised I'm going to meet friends now. I'm going to be so blushified. Oh dear. And you just get the most glossy finish to your lips. To your cheeks. I can't talk today. You get the gist, guys, right? And because of the long wear of this lipstick on because it basically stains the lips but doesn't dry, this blusher is then going to last all day long. I highly recommend that you test out Lipstick Queen, guys, because it is fantastic. And, you know, at the end of the day, your blushes are kind of the first thing that disappears, as well as lipstick. And if you just got one product in your bag and you just want to bring some life back to your skin, bit of blush with your lipstick done. There have been so many times where I've gone out and forgotten to put blusher on, but I've always got a lippy in the car, so I always use the lipstick, and it just, I just feel more alive. Another really good one to use is Lip to Cheek by Trini London. And this is Cha Cha, as you can see on the back. This is Cha Cha, and it's a really bright orange. I'm not going to now layer myself on this one, but basically that one you can go onto your lips, and then you can go, oh look, you can see it now. And then you can pop it onto your cheeks as well. This is called a Lip to Cheek, and Trini do a gorgeous range of Lip to Cheek, and I love it because it's everything I believe in with uniforming, I can't remember the word I'm talking about, your makeup. If you want to go even more long wear, from my Kylie video you saw that I use the liquid lipsticks. Whatever you put on your lips here, you can use on your cheeks. But all I would say with these super long wear liquid lipsticks is that you need to work with them really quickly. So once that goes on, blend, blend, blend really quickly. Another really fabulous blush that I like to use for lips and cheeks is by Daniel Sandler, and that range comes in these bottles that you sort of drop a couple of droplets onto your hands, and then you put it through your lips to stain your lips, and then onto your cheeks, and they're waterproof. So if you're going to a hot country and you want your blusher to last a long time, the Daniel Sandler ones are absolutely amazing. They look like this. I don't know if you can see that, okay? That £16.50 blush, I'm telling you right now, will last you like 100,000 years. Not that you'd really should keep makeup that long, but it doesn't go. It lasts so long. They're beautiful, beautiful, and because they're waterproof, I mean, they're going to stay on. I mean, what other blushes do you need? I'm trying to think what else I love using as well as the Daniel Sandler ones. I mean, old school, but the Benefit Benetint and Posy Tint, they are like, you know, everyone used those. Again, designed for your lips and designed for your cheeks. That's what I would use on my lips and on my cheeks for a matchy unison. Play around, guys, see what you love to use, and you'll start realizing how easy it is to just, you know, if you put it on with your fingers, then just use whatever's on your fingers for your cheeks, and make life really simple for yourself. Hope you've enjoyed that lovely little top tip session about how to use your lipstick as your blusher. Have a super day, guys, and comment below, ask me anything you want, and I will see you super soon.